Today we're going to be making one of my favorite buttercream recipes. This one is super easy and it goes well with pretty much any cake you can make. So first we're going to need our KitchenAid mixer, or a hand mixer if that's what you got, butter, melted butter, powdered sugar, Crisco, half and half, vanilla extract, and part of the buttercream that we're going to be making is peanut butter buttercream. So I've got some peanut butter here as well. And you can always find all of these recipes on the Bake With Me section of our website, which you can find in the link in the description. You're gonna start by creaming your butter and Crisco on high speed. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature or you'll get some lumps. Next, I'm gonna add in our sugar little by little and alternate that with the melted butter, vanilla, and half. Once all your ingredients are in, whip it for a good minute just so that everything is light and fluffy and combined. Chocolate cake and peanut butter buttercream is one of my favorite combinations. It's the cake version of a peanut butter cup. So I'm gonna take a few scoops of the vanilla buttercream and add some creamy peanut butter to it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and press that bell for notifications. Catch you next time.